Question number 5. An organization selected 2,400 families at random and surveyed them to determine a relationship between the income level and the number of vehicles in a family. The information gathered is listed in the table below. See, monthly income is given to you, vehicles per family is given to you. Monthly income is, see here, less than 7,000 to 16,000 or more, and vehicles per family is 0 vehicle, 1 vehicle, 2 vehicle and above 2 vehicle. Okay, what is, suppose a family is chosen, find the probability that the family chosen is, first, earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles. Second, earning rupees 16,000 or more per month and owning exactly 1 vehicle. Third one, earning less than rupees 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle. Fourth, earning rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicles. And fifth one is owning not more than 1 vehicle. Yes, first point is earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles. What is the formula of probability? Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Okay, now see, number of favorable outcomes are how many? 29. So this is 29. Total number of outcomes 2,400. This is your answer. Next question. Earning rupees 16,000 or more per month and owning exactly 1 vehicle. Again, what is the formula of probability? Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Okay, what is favorable outcome is 579 and total number of outcomes are 2,400. Then 579 upon 2,400, this is your answer. Yes, earning less than 7,000 rupees per month and does not own any vehicle. What is the formula? Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. What is favorable outcome? 10 and total number of outcomes are 2,400. Then what is the answer? 10 upon 2,400. Earning 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicles. What is the formula? Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Okay, favorable outcomes are 25 upon 2,400. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 4 20, 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45, 5 6 are 30. Good morning, sir. Yes, next one is owning not more than 1 vehicle. See, what is the favorable outcome? Then you have to add all these things according to the condition. When you add it, you will get 2062. Yes, you will get 2062. And total number of outcomes are 2,400. Then what is the formula probability? Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes 2062 upon 2,400. If you simplify, you will get 1031 upon 1200. Yes, question number 6. A teacher wanted to analyze the performance of two sections of students in a mathematics test of 100 marks. A data of their performances is given below. Marks are given to you, number of students are given to you, this, okay, and sum of total number of students are 90, it is given to you. Now, first part, find the probability that a student obtained less than 20% marks in mathematics. Second, Find the probability that a student obtained marks 60 or above. Yes, now the next question is, you have to find out the probability those who get students get less than 20% marks. Okay, favorable outcomes are 7, total number of students are 90. Then what is the formula? Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes are 7. So 7 upon 90, this is your answer. Now the second, marks 60 and above. 60 and above, what? How much it is? 15 plus 8, this is 23, n is 90. Okay, what is the formula? Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Then what will be the answer? 23 upon 90. Yes. To know the opinion of the students about the subject statistics, a survey of 200 students was conducted. The data is recorded in the following table. Opinion is given to you, number of students given to you, like 135, dislike 65. Find the probability that the student chosen at random, like statistics, does not like it. Yes, first part, like statistics. Okay, how many students like statistics? It is given to you 135 and total students are 200. Then what is the formula? Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Then what is the answer? 135 upon 200. If you cut by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. Okay, 5 4s are 20. This is your first answer. And second point, does not like it. How many does not like? 65. And total number of students are 200. What is the formula? Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Then 65 upon 200. The 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. 13 upon 40 is your answer.